Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1160, that is find words that can be found by characters. And in this we'll be given an array of strings, words, and string chars. Okay, and a string is good if it can be formed by characters from chars, and each character can be used only once. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to return the sum of lengths of all good strings and the words. Okay, so first let's have a frequency counter for counting the frequency of each character in the string char. Okay, so let's have a frequency array. Let's call it freq, and that will be equal to new int and 26. So then we'll be using a for loop, that for char c h in chars dot to char array. What I'll be doing, I'll be just simply frequency ch minus a plus plus. Okay, so this way I've stored the frequency of all the characters in the chars. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be using a for loop, that for string word in words, and then I'll be using a nested. Oh, okay, let's have an answer variable also, int ans. Okay, that will be equal to 0. Okay, now let's have a nested for loop for character and the frequency of each word. Okay, so what we basically have to check, like let's say in this we are having cat, so we know that cat can be found by using the cats which are present here. Okay, the word bt cannot be found because b is not present in the cat, so we cannot form. Hat can also be found, but tree cannot be found because t is only there and rw is not there, so automatically the string, the uh, frequency of that particular element will not be counted. Okay, so we'll be setting the condition that if the frequency of that particular element is 0, so then we can't do. Okay, uh, then okay, so let's also have a copy of frequency array. So int copy of frequency, that will be equal to arrays dot copy of frequency from the index 0 to uh, length of frequency. Okay, freq dot length. Okay, so basically we'll be checking in this. Then okay, so then what we'll be doing, we'll be converting the char ch in word dot to char array, and then let's say we have what we'll be doing, will be that if my frequency of char. Okay, what we can do is, let's form a function instead. uh, let me just, yeah, and then I'll be checking that if my, let's say, can be found, let's name the function can be found. Okay, so in this what I'll be doing, I'll be passing the word and the copy of the particular array, copy of rec. Okay, so if this returns to me true, then what I'll be doing, I'll be just simply doing answer plus equal to word dot length. Okay, so now let's at the end we'll be just declaring answer, and let's have a function here, private. This will be boolean type of function and can be found. This will be taking two parameters as string word and frequency array. Okay, so what I'll be doing, yeah, so here what I'll be doing, that for char ch in word dot to character array, I'll be checking the if frequency of ch minus a is equal to 0, then I'll be just returning false. Else if this for loop runs successfully, I'll be returning true. Okay, so now let's run it. Freq dot length. Okay, let me, I guess, oh, freq dot length here, sorry, yeah. arrays dot copy of for int. I guess I don't need to have to pass the starting index. Now let's run it. Int, okay, it says cannot be converted into 9. Okay, let me just, oh, sorry, my bad. I forgot to add the, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, so it says wrong answer. Let me just figure it out. Oh, okay. So I made a blunder here that I didn't decremented that ch minus a minus minus. Okay. So yeah, that was a blunder. Now let's run it again. Yeah, and it works. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and now it works completely fine. Okay, so yeah, I forgot to decrease the frequency of that particular character. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.